My 4Runner is approaching 20,000 miles in it, and I never replace or at least check the cabin filter. Let's find out if it needs one. Stay tuned. Oops. Be careful there. You don't want that inside your blower. Okay. So definitely needs one. Alright, so here is the filter from Toyota. And here is the part number. So if you notice, the arrow is facing up and I pull this one this way. So I'm just gonna go install the new one the same way the old one came out. I'm gonna go add this frigifresh so it kills the bacteria and it smells good. All right, so this one is ready to be installed, and man, this thing smells good. Okay, so I'm just gonna line this up. This one says up too. All right, it's done, and it's pretty simple. I am also going to install a new engine filter, and here is the part number. Yeah, I need step to do this job. There's one more over there. Yep, it's right here. All right, so this one is also time to replace it. All right, it's all done. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.